Welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today, we're going to check the rigging on the Com Pac 16 sailboat restoration project. Okay, so to check the rigging and the mast, what I did is I just pulled the sailboat down the driveway a little bit, and because I have my kayak racks on here, this will make it easy to lift the mast. So the first thing we want to do, we want to find the lead, the forestay here. So this is where the sail goes in. So this would be on the front of the mast. So this is the one right here that we want to attach, right? So we want to make sure it's in the right spot. Attach the forward one here. Now I'm going to replace these little D-rings that they have on here because these aren't. There's a clip that goes through here that would mount all this together, but for right now this will hold it on. Okay, so that'll keep the mast from going all the way back. So now we can go up on the boat and pull this nut off of here, which will go through there to hold this in place. So that's our plan. So we'll need a pair of pliers or something to work on that. Okay. So we're gonna take that bolt off. Tools here. And we'll just set that there for now. Put the nut down in here. There's good. Okay, so now we want to go about setting this mast right here, and this would be towards the stern and this would be towards the bow. So we'll twist it to the proper position, and then we're going to lift. Okay. Now, I'm gonna line those holes up, stick that bolt through there. There it is. Okay, so we got that in place. We see our forestay is wrong. We got to put that in another place. Okay, that one's on. Okay, so we got that backstay, combo back side stay on. And because I don't have a thing on there, I'm just going to run a screwdriver through it. Hold it on for now. Okay. Now we can just put this nut on this side. Now it doesn't have to be tight in there. It just has to, not break away. And then what we would do, we'll tighten down on these shrouds and see how it looks. And these just tighten like the turnbuckle. Take this off and turn it in. Okay, this one's ready to be set. And you can see that one's much tighter. There we go. So now the interesting interesting thing with Com Pac 16 is these side stays are back from the mast. They're not next to the mast. On a lot of larger sailboats, you'll see the side supports, these stays on the side, are right next to the mast, and then there's a cable to the stern to prevent it from forward or back. But on the small 16 Com Pac, it just is these three stays that keep it, the forestay and these two side stays. And we have enough tension on them, you know, that the mast is going to stay where it's going to stay. So next up, we'll get the boom out, make sure the boom fits in there. Here is the boom, and you can see the sail slides in through here, and this slides into the mast to connect it, and then you cleat it off to hold it down. So we'll put that up there and see how it looks. What they use to hold the stern of the boom up. So this should fit. Right in there, like that. And then we use the cleat to cleat it off. So when you get a big gust of wind, that's what keeps this from popping back out. And of course, we would have our control line coming down through here to there. So you can see, for the most part, our standing rigging is in pretty good shape. We're going to have to replace this turnbuckle, I think. So that'll have to get replaced. But the side stays, they're good. Remember, there is no backstay on this. This line that they use just to hold the boom up, I'll actually replace that and put a backstay on here. I think, I'm not 100% sure. I just have this on to hold the boom till I put the running rigging. You know, we go over all that. But as far as the standing rigging is concerned, everything looks okay. So that is a good sign. About halfway up the mast, you can see a scratch. And originally I thought that was a crack in the mast, but on further inspection it's just like a gouge, so it's not going to affect the performance. So standing rigging, we're in decent shape. Now when we take the boat apart, we'll reset all these to make sure the same is true up here. We'll make sure this is all good. Next up, we will be looking at the running rigging. So we'll pull the sails, we'll put the sails up, we'll check all the lines for the sails, and then after that we're going to start taking it apart. We will separate this piece from the hull, the deck from the hull, to redo the inside and put stringers in. So if you want to follow along on the Com Pac 16 restoration, hit that subscribe button. Also ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up, that helps too. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there.